Hi, this is Greg Wayman again with Foundation to Rooftop. I have an Omaha furnace. It's a high efficiency propane furnace, and I wanted to show you today some of the things that I can find on these furnaces. We're going to focus today on the exhaust line. The exhaust fan ties into the PVC exhaust line, and you want to pay attention to these glue joints. The glue joints, this one here has been leaking, and when it leaks water out, it also can leak carbon monoxide. The rest of the line in this room looks fine, and then when we go over into the other side of the flue pipe, where before it goes outside, we see evidence of it. There's staining here. It's been leaking at two of the joints, and then if you get over to this other one, you can actually see where it's actively been dripping. And again, when you have water dripping out of it, that means carbon monoxide, flue gases can also leak into the living space of the house. So you want to have a licensed HVAC contractor come out and get these glue joints corrected for safety reasons.